Hello and good afternoon. My name is Gerald Reynolds and this is my presentation. According to Robin Landa, businesses need to use simple, scalable visual icons to quickly and positively affect the viewers. Therefore, I decided for both the American and India logo, I wanted to keep it simple and to the point with simple lines. Therefore, it can go on things such as pens and all the way up to billboards. The color scheme I used on the American logo was the color red, because it said that Americans respond to red as being patriotic, and we want to let everybody know that we're veteran owned and operated. As for the logo, the India logo, I decided to go with the color yellow gold because it is said to be the most popular color in India, and we wanted to catch the eyes right away. Therefore, we didn't have any, misinterpretations. The logo symbols I chose is a transportation truck in both. The reason I chose this is because I went with a logistical company, which has to do with transportation of goods. The iconic meaning behind it was to grab the attention and illustrate that it has to do with logistical company, not only on the American side, but in the side of India. That is why I decided to change the different types of trucks so that we can distinguish between America and India. Here, there's a Mack truck that symbolizes most of the trucks that is used here in America. And then here is a bongo truck, which symbolizes most of the transportation trucks used in India. I would say we would have to use two logos because when it comes to the trucks, we have an American truck and a different truck that India uses as transportation. Therefore, if we wanted to grab the attention of our partners in India, we'd have to accommodate their perspective and put the bongo truck in on the logo and not the Mack truck. And so we would have to vice versa change it, American logo and then logo for India and the global market. But thank you, and that concludes my presentation.